Hi guys, this is the iPhone 15 Pro and I'll show you how to turn off Always On Display option on this device. So if you don't want to use the Always On Display option on your iPhone 15 Pro, you could turn it off, and to do that you should open first the settings and after that scroll down to the display and brightness. Scroll more down and you'll see here the Always On Display section. Tap on it and just to turn off AOD option, you should just click to the switcher. Now let's just lock the device and we could see that the AOD option successfully disabled. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.